Hi Jerry, this is Mario. I'm going to walk you through the RBS iPhone application. This is all written on Design Base, and I thought I record something for you just to keep us a reference, and I will upload this in YouTube so you can use it. On any event, once you launch the URL that I provide you. This one is the actual local to us, but I will send you a separate email with the actual external URL. You will see a form that is actually going to prompt you for a user ID and password. You would use iPhone as a user ID and onSysText in lowercase for the password. You will get to this form, and this form this is is using the predictive index, so you can search anything you like. And what we've done for testing purposes, we use your one of your largest files, that is the buy.tmf file. And as you can see, the predictive search comes out very quick. You select the highlighted criteria, whatever it finds in the title or the author. And once you select it, it will display the actual record on the form. So at this point, as you can notice, a couple of things happen. This icon appears at the bottom of the screen, where you can actually now add it to the cart. And when I click on the cart, then you can see now that the empty cart is starting to show full of products. So a couple things visually that happen at this point. You can either click on the card or you can continue searching. So if I want to look for something else, let's say I want to look for a book about Pearl, I can again select on it. I verify that that's the item that I want, and I can add it to the cart. And now my shopping cart contains 2 items. I can continue searching for something else. Let's look for ASP, for example. And I can add ASP in a nutshell, and again add it to my shopping cart. Now, once I'm ready to check out, I can simply click on the shopping cart, and it automatically displays all the information and the pricing information of the items I want to purchase. As you can see, this display is very flexible, and we can align it any way we wish, but it's centered at this stage. The key of the item is on the top of the cell, with a description, and with all the different the pricing information, discounts and taxes, etc. You can edit it at this point. Use this edit option, and that will allow you to select the line that you wish to edit. You select on the line number, which all this data gets filled out dynamically. It's all in basic code. Again, you see it, but now this view shows you another option where you can actually eliminate this item out of the shopping cart. So I click on the X, and now it refreshes the contents of the shopping cart, and now you can see there are only 2 items. Next stage is to click on Finish Pay. And now you have, at this point, you would scan the credit card, or if you want to do it manually, again, it will ask you for, what credit card you want to use, and you can start filling out all the information. So let's put in a number. Again, this is just for testing purposes. We're not adding any credit card validation, but as it leaves the field, the reasonable thing to do will be to call the routine that validates the credit card information as soon as you enter the data. At this point, I can fill out the expiration date and the verification code of the card. Put in a card holder name. A phone number. Again, and we can do a lot of formatting and all that. That will come as part of the development process. Let's add the a street, zip code, oops, and an email address, johnc@gmail.com, and click on done. Do a last review. Click on submit, and at this point, you know, it will begin the credit card authorization process. You could have another screen that says that will give you an acknowledgement that the card is being processed, or you know, and the end user will get pretty much a screen that will say that it has approved. Thank you for your order. A couple things could happen here. You either email the receipt, or you know, we can send it to a printer. But you know, in this small application, shows you the capabilities of DesignBase, interacting with your data files, and some basic business rules that are all written in Universe Basics. So once I click OK, I'm back to the book search, and you can start the process again. Well, I hope you like this demo, and if you have any questions, let me know. Speak with you soon.